PwC degree apprenticeships explained. In this video, I'm going to explain PwC degree apprenticeships, exactly what it says on the tin. Let me just introduce myself. My name's Owen. I'm a degree apprentice, and I help people get degree apprenticeships in the engineering, technology, and finance industries. These are some of the people I helped get into degree apprenticeships last year from companies like Amazon, JLR, HSBC, KPMG, Deutsche Bank, just to name a few. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So PwC Flying Start Degree Apprenticeships explain. I'm going to explain in this video because PwC ones are very complicated. Like, it took me a while back in the day when I was applying to even understand what was going on with these. They're very different to your normal degree apprenticeship, which is why I'm just going to spend this video breaking down exactly what options are available for PwC degree apprenticeships, okay? Don't worry, you haven't gone blind, it's not your vision. I've purposely blurred the image because this is what we're going to get into, okay? So let's get into this now. So there are three different paths that PwC do for their degree apprenticeships: accounting, business management, and technology, okay? Simple enough right now, but it's going to get more complicated. So we'll start off by focusing on accounting and business management. These two degree apprenticeships, they do it in something called study first, okay? It's called a study first model. Okay, well, what does that even mean? Okay, well, let's look at this. So a normal degree apprenticeship, we all probably know this, is where you can do a full-time job. You're going part-time to university, so that means it could be on block release, where you sort of go to university like 1 week per month, and then you're working at your job the rest of the time. Or it could be on day release. So you're basically working at you're working your job 4 days a week, and then going to university 1 day a week. Okay, you're going to get paid for this, so it's going to be a 20 to 30k salary in your first year, likely with pay rises each year. And the whole point of it is it's a free degree and no debt. And let's be honest, that's the biggest reason why all of us want to do a degree apprenticeship. Okay, that's a normal degree apprenticeship. But then you have the study first side of things that PwC are doing for this accounting and business management. And this is completely different, okay? So you can even forget the word degree apprenticeship. I don't know why the word degree apprenticeship gets associated with this, because it's kind of very different, okay? That was a degree apprenticeship on the right, standard. This is how the study first model works at PwC. Basically, you want to go to university as normal, as a normal university student. You're going to have 2 terms at university every single year, and then every single year you're going to have one sort of paid work placement at PwC. Okay, and that's how it's going to work every single year. So 2 terms at university, 1 term working with PwC, and then your summer's going to be free. It's going to be a paid work placement. What this means is you're going to have normal tuition fees, okay? Because with a degree apprenticeship, obviously you're getting a salary because you're working for the company. Here, you're going to have to pay the normal 9,000 or whatever tuition fees per year because you are going to university as normal. Some of these universities on the study first scheme, which I'll get into a bit later, some do offer some bursaries, but it's like, I don't know, £2,000 per year, something like that, okay? So what this means is, study first, normal university, you're going to have to pay tuition fees, you're going to get in a bit of debt, but it's still a good option compared to just going to university normally, where you're not going to get this sort of paid work placement. The key thing with this is, it means the application processes are going to be very different. So with a normal degree apprenticeship, you have to apply to everything separately, it's on their website, and then we'll have this long application process. With this study first one, because it is at university and you're a normal university student, you basically have to apply through UCAS. So this study first option here on the left, it's going to have to be one of your 5 options for universities on the UCAS process. You're going to have to write that personal statement, which is, I think, 4,000 characters. That's how you get into a study first sort of apprenticeship sort of thing. So coming back to this table here, which sort of just summarizes everything. Accounting and business management, they're both study first, normal university, apply through UCAS. These are the universities you can do it with. Okay, so accounting, they have Newcastle University, University of Manchester, University of Nottingham, University of Reading, and Queen Mary University of London. Okay, with business management, they have Ulster University. This is just some random one in Northern Ireland, so it probably won't apply to like 90% of the people who are watching this video. So it's mainly accounting, which I think that's a very popular path which a lot of people want to go down. Basically, you have to apply to this for UCAS, as I said. So UCAS applications are now open. I think they open on like the 3rd of September, something like that, which means you can write your personal statement and then apply to one of these accounting ones. Okay, so that's that first 2 there, accounting and business management. Let's now get into technology. So technology also have a study first route, okay, where it's the same thing, full-time university student, 2 terms at university, 1 term is a guaranteed work placement with PwC. However, with technology, this route here, they also do it as a normal degree apprenticeship. So they basically have 2 different paths for technology. They do the study first and the normal degree apprenticeship. This normal degree apprenticeship, they call it the work first. Okay, so you can see that study first, work first. Study first is where you're basically going to university for 2 terms. So that's like university is the main thing, so that's why it's called study first. Whereas with this one on the right, as I said, same table from before, the normal degree apprenticeship, it's called work first because it's where you're going to be at your full-time job 80% of the time, and then at university 20% of the time, earning while you learn, getting a salary effectively. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Technology has study first and has work first. So these two are open right now. Applications are open. However, it's a bit unconfirmed at the moment. So technology degree apprenticeships, flying start degree programs, whatever you want to call it, at PwC haven't been confirmed yet. Okay, so usually you'd expect this study first program here to be open because UCAS is now open. So normally you'd apply through UCAS, you could apply to a study first PwC technology degree apprenticeship. However, it doesn't look like it's open this year. I've gone onto some of the university websites for this technology study first program, and a lot of them are saying they are not opening applications for 2025. So I don't know if that's a glitch. I don't know if they're doing this on purpose. So potentially, this isn't confirmed by the way, but this is just like, I'm just speculating as what's going on here. Potentially they're not doing a study first program this year. Okay, because I would expect them to have it open yet at the moment, but it's not open, and some of those websites are saying they're not doing it for 2025. So potentially they're not doing a study first one this year. Now, in terms of the work first, this one usually opens in about December or January. So the closing date for the work first degree apprenticeship is January the 31st. But last year I had some of my students basically getting through to through the application process in early January. So you sort of want to be applying in like December, January, that sort of time. So these were the locations from that last year, but as I said, this is completely unconfirmed and needs to be confirmed for 2025. PwC haven't released any information about this whole technology sector so far. So the study first universities for last year were University of Birmingham, University of Leeds, and Queen Mary University of London. But as I said, it needs to be confirmed for 2025. I don't know what's going on with that right now. And then in terms of work first, that one role they had for work first is basically based in Manchester. As I said, closing date for that one is 31st of January 2024. That's when it was for last year. So I'm guessing it's going to be the same as this year. And I'm guessing this one, they're probably going to open in like December and January. Okay, so that's all the information on PwC. Basically, this slide covers everything you need to know, but just like a little disclaimer, those ones on the right, we're still waiting for updates, still waiting for more information. So if you are interested in getting PwC and you sort of want like a summary of all the information, just screenshot the page right now, and that'll just do it. Let me just pose for your screenshot quickly. Okay, yeah, so just screenshot that and that'll basically have all the information you need. So they're unconfirmed, as I say. So if you do want sort of live updates on parts of the application process, including from companies like KPMG, PwC, EY, Goldman Sachs, and other companies in the engineering, technology, and finance industries, you can go follow my Twitter page, so Twitter, formerly known as X, where you can basically get live updates on different parts of the degree apprenticeship application process. And when we find out more about PwC, about that technology side, I will definitely be posting it on there. Okay, so there we go. Just one final thing then in terms of the application process. For both Study First and Work First, as I say, you have to apply differently. Study First is applying through UCAS, Work First is applying on their website. However, they both have lengthy application process. So even though this one is kind of different, it's to do with university, it's on UCAS, they are still going to have a further application process. This can include, but isn't limited to, things like online testing, video interviews, group exercises, interviews, and presentations. So that's what you're going to have to do when you're applying to these PwC schemes after doing that initial application. So just a question out to you now, really. If you want, I can do a video on the PwC application process, so going into things like how to best succeed in things like online testing, video interviews, assessment centers, interviews, presentations, group exercises. So if you are interested in me doing a video on the PwC application process, then I don't know, let's just do something random for this video. Just comment down below in the comments a number from 1 to 100. I'm going to pin someone's random comment, and that's going to be the like goal. Okay, and then that'll be the, if we reach like 30 likes or something, whoever I pin, that's what the like. Don't put the like goal as like 2,000 because it's not going to reach that, and don't put the like goal as like 4 because that's too easy, man. Come on, we've got to make it difficult. So yeah, go down, comment below, number between 1 and 100. That's the like goal. When we hit that likes, I'll just release a video on the PwC application process. Cool. So I hope this video has helped, and I hope that's explained sort of the PwC Flying Start program, which can be kind of complicated: accounting, business management, technology, study first, work first. I hope that's all broken it down and you now understand it, so you now sort of know what you're looking for when you're looking at PwC. And as I said, If you want me to film a video of it, go put a number down in the comments. That'll be the like goal. I'll see you in a bit. Take care.